Good day, everyone. Today I'll be doing a kitchen experiment under physical incompatibilities, under as well for insolubility. Okay, so for today I'm going to be doing the impossible, showing you how to mix oil and water. So I'm going to show you how to mix them and not separate. So we've always been taught that oil and water do not mix together. So in fact, there's a mantra that whenever we have two things that does not come along together, we always compare them with oil and water. So, but is that really true? Well, today I'm going to show you a method that can actually mix oil and water. Right, so here are the materials needed. So we have here the vegetable or the cooking oil. I got um, 2 bottled water and then a mustard. So let me show you. Right, in a bottled water, I'm going to put the cooking oil or the vegetable oil. So as you can see, oil and water does not mix up. And after mixing the oil in the water, as you can see, it will form two liquid forms. So two liquid forms, this is the oil rich phase and the water rich phase. And then even though you will going to shake this up, and then you thought that you already mix it up, just let it sit for a while. All right, just we thought that we mix water and oil, we let it sit for a little while. As you can see, it slowly separate from each other. Let's just let it sit for a little bit, and then we will be able to see the result that oil definitely will separate from the water. As you can see, the oil separated from the water. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to totally mix oil and water. So, I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna use a new bottle water. Let's open it up, and then I'm gonna get the cooking oil. I will put a little bit on the water, and then as you can see, it's separated, right? So now, in order for us to achieve the impossible, we will put mustard on it, like a little bit of mustard. There you go. So I'm going to shake this one. So give it a shake. So now let's see if this separates. So now we can see that the water and oil did not separate. That's really clear. Now, the reason this happens is because when you shake up oil and water, oil is hydrophobic. And so they form tiny little balls that don't want to be attracted to the water. But those tiny little droplets of oil come near each other, then they will now be attracted to each other because they're more attracted with the water around, then they'll form a big droplet of oil. But if you're gonna add up ingredient like mustard, so mustard has some chemicals in it that are called surfactants or emulsifiers. And that emulsifier in it that means it is a chemical that has a hydrophobic end and hydrophilic end. As I mentioned, so the hydrophilic end is attracted to the water, and the hydrophilic end is attracted to the oil. So this is actually the reason why now water and oil is already mixed and not separated with the help of our emulsifier, which is the mustard. So we can compare this one. This is actually without the emulsifier or the surfactant, which is the mustard. And this one, which did not separate because we use mustard. That's all. Thank you.